How to log in to ING Bank online banking. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for ING Bank Online and tap on the very first link you see there, that is www.ing.com.au. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, go ahead and tap on the login option on the top right of your screen, and further, you will be led to the login interface. So go ahead and enter your client number and then enter your access code, and finally tap on the login button you see there. And with this, if the credentials that you entered is correct, then you will be logged in to ING Bank. And just in case if you do not remember the access code, then you can tap on the forgotten your access code option you see there at the bottom and follow the on-screen prompts in order to recover your access code. So this is how you can log into ING Bank online banking. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.